Good morning, everyone. Have you ever felt hungry between classes but couldn't find a snack that both tasty and healthy? At Baisu, we're surrounded by food options, but most of them are too oily, too sweet, or just plain unhealthy. That's why I thought of a better alternative that not just delicious but also good for you. Introducing Banana Bliss, a snack stall offering a fun twist on our favorite fruit. Our main star, banana fries. Yes, you heard that right. Crispy, golden banana fries served with exciting flavor choice like cheesy garlic, cinnamon sugar, and even spicy barbecue. It's the perfect blend of health and flavor. Whether you're rushing to class or hanging out with friends or simply just craving something new, Banana Bliss is here to give you a snack you can feel good about. Now you can visit Banana Bliss right here on campus and grab a pack of banana fries on the go. We'll be launching soon with free taste. So don't miss it. Let's snack smarter, not harder. With Banana Bliss, healthy can be happy too. See you at the booth. And I thank you.